Hi guys, you are probably wondering why you're looking at my counter. I'm going to try, I don't know why, I just want to, and try to spin this coin to the camera. Okay. Yes, I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. There, that's better. I know it was a sucky shot, but I found it. Oh, I had just came up with a new idea. And this is my kitchen. Adios. Where's the coin? There it is, I think.